Greetings, everyone. We are here to get familiar with the small business and the process it takes to start it. A business like a beauty supply store that can be very successful. Starting a business on your own takes a lot of work, but to find your passion and sharing it with others to bring a need to the community or the world, for that matter, will feel priceless. Madam C.J. Walker said, "I got my start by giving myself a start. We all must get started somewhere." A business like a beauty supply store must go through a process. The best way to have a successful business is to have a business plan. A business plan that takes you through focal points such as market analysis, marketing, budget analysis, risk management, and a really good SWOT analysis, which we will discuss later in this PowerPoint. The reason for the business plan is to put everything into perspective. The first 4 steps of the business plan: the company description, the mission statement, the legal structure, and the members of the organization. The company description, this is the part you tell what the company means to you and what it will do for others. In other words, like the beauty supply store will help supply products to a specific ethnic group that has the same ethnicity as the business owner. A mission statement is the reason for your business, the reason why you want to start this business, the reason why the business will be lucrative, or even why you feel that the community will love this sort of business. The legal structure, these are the different structures of business that can be run under a partnership, a sole proprietorship, a corporation, or a limited liability company. The beauty shop would be most likely run as an LLC, limited liability company. This has an easier startup process, so lots of companies are run under the LLC. You must list the members of the organization. That means family, friends, or business associates or business partners of the business that you are trying to be under. In any given business, you must learn the market structure of that business, and you must research the industry or market you are trying to enter in. What type of industry is it? Clothing, hair products, cosmetics, whatever industry you're going into, research it. That's the most important thing, is to research your industry. Also, what demographics are you catering to? The beauty supply store is catering to men, women, and children with an ethnic background. Are there any advantages of your business, or is it a cutting edge? Is it a product that no one has ever seen before? Do you have the only Black-owned beauty supply store within miles? This would be considered an advantage. The next step in your business plan will be the product that you are selling or the types of services that you are rendering. The beauty supply store is selling shampoos, moisturizers, and scalp treatments, and there will be professional cosmetologists to do eyebrows and eyelashes. This is where you will implement what products you are servicing or what product you are trying to sell. How will your prices be? The prices will be in a range within the market for hair products. Moving forward, you must check every product to see if it is in date and what new technology has entered that market. Getting the feel of the sales market. In this graph, it shows the 3 major products in beauty care. Keeping up with the sales market will benefit because you can plan for strategies to progress your business by learning what is selling and how well it is selling. A business plan must always have a budget to track or to guide you through the process of the startup and the cost that it takes to start this process. These are the expenses, your utilities, your rent, your marketing. Also, there are overhead costs. These are the ongoing costs, such as your rent, your utilities, your supplies that you have to order month after month, or maybe every day, or maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But those are your startup costs and ongoing costs. Your ROI, which is your return on investment, is to see how successful your business is, or if you are about to go bankrupt. Hopefully it will be the first and not the latter. In any business, there will be risk. Starting a business is a risk. You're not sure if it will be lucrative or not, but you still go forth with it. There will also be bad risk. You may over budget or under budget. In this business plan, you will assess the risk and then treat the risk, meaning figure out a way to stop the risk from happening. Is there something, could I cut a cost here? Could I have not spent so much on this property that I have rented, or maybe I could just buy it outright? You are going to assess your risk. Is this a good risk I'm taking? Am I buying this property? Will it lead me to more financial freedom? Or is it a bad risk? Buying this company and it's already bankrupt, and the budget and the money and the financial planning is not adding up. So we're going to have to take a good look. That means we're going to treat it and see which way we need to go forward. The SWOT analysis is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The SWOT is a forecast reading into your business and how to control it and be successful. Now that you have learned how to write a successful business plan through the focal points of market analysis, marketing, budget analysis, risk management, and a powerful SWOT analysis, go forth and be great.